Hey guys, welcome back to Crafted by Kids. Today we're going to be making some super cute pencil holders. Today we're going to be making this super easy, super fun pencil holder. First, you're going to take some scissors and cut your piece of cardboard into a circle. And this circle is going to be the size of your pencil holder. So cut it however large you want your pencil holder to be. So this is how large I want mine to be. Next, you're going to take your paper towel holder, and you can also get some toilet paper holders. You can take all that sort of stuff that's shaped like this, and you're just going to cut it in 3 different parts. Like that. Now that I've finished cutting these into my 3 parts, I'm going to take my colored paper, and for this I'm just using wrapping paper because I find that a lot easier to use, but you can use plain white paper, whatever you want. And then you're going to wrap each of your tubes in the paper, glue it down, and then cut off the excess stuff. So you're going to do that with all 3 of your tubes. Now that I finished wrapping my paper towel thirds, I'm going to take my base and I'm going to wrap this in some more wrapping paper. Now that I finished the base, you can glue them right on, or what I'm gonna do is grab some blue felt and I'm gonna cut little strips and just wrap them around the top like that. Now that I've finished wrapping these in blue felt, I'm simply going to glue them on to my platform all together like that. And this is what your pencil holder should look like after you finish gluing everything on. You can put, actually you can put more than pencils, you can put scissors, you can put pens, you can put glue sticks, you can really put anything you want in here. And it's super cute and super easy to make. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel and don't forget to like and share this video. Bye!